Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT R19, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. Now, to get started, you'll want to navigate into your settings. From here, scroll down to storage, tap on your SD card, and then click on the three dots right here. Navigate to storage settings, where you will find format option. Click on it. It will bring up a window letting you know that formatting your SD card will remove all the data from it, and if there is anything on that card that you would like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. And for everybody that has already done so or simply don't want to back it up, you can simply press right here, Format SD card. This will begin a process which takes just a couple of seconds and should be finished any moment. And there we go. So once it's finished, click on Done, and you can close this because the process is now completely finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.